Hello treasures, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing great. So today we'll be cooking okra, and here are the proteins I'll be using beef. I'll be using beef for this. I have stock fish here. I've already washed the stock fish and some smoked Titus fish, mackerel fish, which is also washed. I've washed the meat. In short, I've washed all this: the meat, beef, the stockfish, and the Titus fish. So we'll go ahead and transfer this into a pot and start cooking. I will cover the pot and steam it for some minutes before adding water to it. It has been steaming for some minutes now. It is time to add it some water. Just add enough water to cover it and allow to cook. I also have some cow skin which I added to the meat. The cow skin is somehow soft, so you can cook now with the meat and the stockfish. While that is cooking, I'm adding okro, fluted pumpkin to this okra soup, and I'll also be adding uziza leaves. So I'll go ahead, wash them, and slice them. Keep watching. If you don't have a food processor like me, you can cut your okra with any of these methods I'm using. But if you have it, use it. It makes it easier. You can also use your grater. My sister is helping me out with that. For me, I find it difficult to use grater. So she's helping me to cut or slice the okra with a grater. I think it's faster than using knife as I was using. Now we are done with all the preparations. We are done cutting the vegetables, the okra, the ugu, the oziza leaf, and the meat is also ready. So let's put everything together and make our okra soup. I'll transfer the cooked meat into a bigger pot, which I'm going to use to cook the soup. I also have a dry catfish, which I've already washed. I'll add it into it. Add some crayfish. I pounded the crayfish with some fresh peppers. So that's what I just added now. Sprinkle in some salt. Be careful with the salt because the stock has salt. I'm also adding 1 seasoning cube. Then palm oil, about a cooking spoon of palm oil. Use according to the way you like, but don't over oil your soup. And then add in more water, stir everything together, cover and allow to cook. After about 10 minutes, our soup is boiling poto, poto, poto. So it's now time to stir it and then add the okra. I'll start with the grated okra. Stir it very well before adding the other one, which I chopped with my hand and knife. I'll also add my oziza leaf together with the okra. I like to add it before ugu so that it will bring out that flavor well before I add the ugu. After stirring and testing it, it needed more spices. I added more ground crayfish, some dry chili pepper, and a little more salt. I almost forgot the smoked fish. So I'll add that now, stir together, and then add the ugu. I'll mix the vegetable very well into the soup, and after that I'll put up the gas. Our okra soup is ready. Oh. Is your gari or eba ready? Is your fufu ready? My gari is ready here too.
This is beautiful.
My brothers and sisters and friends, our food is ready. All that is left tonight is to serve it. Thank you all for watching. I hope you enjoyed watching the video. Please don't forget to give the video a thumbs up and also share it to your friends and families. Until I see you again in our next video, remain blessed and safe. I love you all. Bye-bye.